Today's topic is FM ratio detector. Now, first point. The ratio detector, it is simply a type of FM demodulator. Now, its purpose, that is, it is used for FM demodulation purpose, and it can only be used for those circuits or those radio receivers that use discrete components. Second point. Now, the radio receivers that use integrated circuits, for them FM demodulator of other types are used. That is, the radio receivers that use integrated circuits, for them ratio detector cannot be used. Now, third point. Ratio detector provide us good level of performance with very limited number of components. Fourth point. Ratio detector is also known as ratio discriminator or ratio demodulator. The two main types of FM detector which were used for radio receivers that use discrete components are first ratio detector and second Foster-Seeley FM detector. Now, FM detector was more commonly used than Foster-Seeley FM detector because FM detector has better level of amplitude modulation rejection, which help us to provide greater level of noise immunity, as most of the noise is amplitude noise. Operation. Now you can see the diagram. First point. When we apply a steady carrier signal to the circuit, you can see the diode D1 and D2 act to produce a steady voltage across the resistance R1 and R2, and at this position the capacitor C3 charges. Now, second point. You can see the transformer. The transformer is used to detect the change in frequency of incoming signals. In the diagram we had seen 3 windings. The third winding is untuned. Now, the coupling between the primary and third winding is very tight. Whenever the coupling is tight, it means that the phase between the signals in these winding is same, and the primary and secondary winding are tuned, and also they are lightly coupled. Whenever the windings are lightly coupled, this means that there is phase difference of 90 degree between the signal in these windings. Now, if the signal moves away from the center frequency, the phase difference will change. As a result, the phase difference between primary and third winding will also change. This phase difference will cause an imbalance in voltage across the resistor R1 and R2. मतलब जो R1 पे वोल्टेज मिलेगा वो ज़्यादा मिलेगा या R2 के कंपैरिजन में, या फिर जो R2 पे वोल्टेज मिलेगा वो ज़्यादा रहेगा R1 के कंपैरिजन में. As a result, a current flows in the third winding and modulation appears at the output. Now we can see the advantages. It is simple to construct, using discrete components. It offers good level of performance and linearity. It provides a good level of immunity to noise. Ratio detector has wider bandwidth than Foster-Seeley discriminator. Disadvantages: high cost of transformer is used. It can be used only in circuits which use discrete components. It cannot be used in circuits which use integrated circuits. It produces only 50% output when compared with Foster-Seeley discriminator. It has high level of distortion as compared to Foster-Seeley discriminator.